Hi everyone, welcome back to jayleen.co.uk. We've got the Wizarding Trunk box. I'm not sure which one this is, I'll put that on the title of the video. It's got quite substantial damage to it, so hopefully nothing's broken inside. They usually pack pretty well, so should be okay, I think. Okay, first out we've got a t-shirt. That's quite cool. Groundskeeper's assistant, and that's the back. That's quite cool, I like that a lot. Okay, pin, dueling champion, gosh, it's a full box. Another pin. Bear with me, I can't quite tell you that is. Okay. Dr. Grendel's Enchanted Prosthetics. It looks like it might be Moody's eye, but we'll see. That's quite fun. There we go, and it's got sticky on the back, so you could stick that onto something, whichever way you like. It's quite fun. We've got an exciting green plain box there. Oh, that's nice. Really nice replica of Slughorn's hourglass. That's really nice. I've had some of these from Geek Game, but this is another level. That is really nice. Okay, this is at the bashed end, but doesn't look like there's any damage to this box. Some sort of potion. We like potions. Nice. Pufferfish eyes. And it actually looks like pufferfish eyes. It's a bit gross, but it's cool. Humanely harvested. It's a relief. Unlocking Magic. It's a nice box. So there's a key in there. Just come out a bit there. Let's push it back in. Restricted section key. You can see alongside there, if you can see, it says restricted section. That's a nice key, that's a metal key, and that's really nice. There's quite a lot of stuff in this box. It's like Christmas. It's a skinny box. Looks possibly like a memory vial, but we'll soon find out. No, it's not, I don't think. Oh yeah, it is. Smells like that leaked a bit. Ogden, September 1925. Glittery liquid in there. It's leaked a bit in that. This one sellotapes up. Ooh, it smells like antiseptic. An ornament print there, I just can't place it. Let's see what it says on it. Mars is bright tonight. That's quite a nice little ornament, that. Ooh, smelly. Flat white box. Like a little pizza box. And there's another one. I think I've had one of these recently from a different box. Of the cat plates. Professor Umbridge's cat plates. So it's like a book cover. And something else maybe in there. So first of all, we've got a book cover, and it's the history of magic. It's quite nice. And we've got Mappa Stellarium, constellation map by the looks of it. It's quite cool. Okay, we've got a next page for our magical creatures book, A to Z. We've got 2 pages. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we've got a postcard, a Valentine's postcard, be mine. For a small fee, a school Cupid will sing to your Valentine when delivering. That's quite sweet. And finally, just a leaflet with confirmation of everything that we've got in there. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time at jalian.co.uk. Everyone, welcome back to jalian.co.uk. We've got the latest Wizarding Trunk. This is April's. Okay, so I think this is Herbology. So first out, we've got Herbology Club t-shirt. That's the front, and this is the back. That's pretty cool. Wormwood Essence soap. It's pretty cool. It smells nice. Pin. Another portrait pins. Elixir of Growth spray. I smell that soap still. That looks like one of the book covers. Poisonous Plants book cover. So all you have to do is find a book that you've got that's a similar size, and you can put that cover on, and it looks like you've got a really cool library. Next up, a nice box, Greenhouse number 4. And we've got pretty nice. Okay, then we've got Greenhouse 3 coffee and tea stirring set. Very nicely presented in a nice little box there. So let's sort this out. I've still got an insert in there. Don't think we need that. Push it down. That's it. There we go. Come out of there slightly. There we are. They're pretty cool. Tea stirring set. Greenhouse 3 caution, dangerous species. Not quite sure what that is. I'm sure we'll find out when we get to the thing. Oh. Another pin. Looks like some sort of tea towel or something. We'll check that out when we get to it as well. These boxes are always absolutely packed. Looks like a little stand there. Looks like a little salt and pepper set. Mushrooms. Which is pretty cute. There we go. It's pretty cute, isn't it? And they're pot and ceramic. Right. So we've got a 10x8 greenhouse print. It's quite nice. Page from the Magical Creatures book. We've got Bela and Vampire. And then finally we've got this. Okay, so this is a gardening apron. I'll put a picture on of what it actually looks like on the website, which is jalian.co.uk. That's an apron. And this one is a canvas bag holder. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time at jalian.co.uk. And welcome back to jalian.co.uk. We've got the Wizarding Trunk for, gosh, I guess it's June. I'll check, it'll tell me in here somewhere. There we go. I think there's an issue with the boxes, so it's the same box as last month, but not really bothered about that. Okay, so first out we've got Unlocking Magic, so that'll be a key, some description. That's nice. It's a cool key. See if I can find that. There we go. So this is the Headmaster box for June 2023. Okay, so first out we've got the key that we've just unboxed. And that's Dumbledore's office key. And we've got a very nice velvet box here. Which is pretty cool. And it's a medal. and it's Order of Merlin. See that? Order of Merlin, acts of courage or great magical achievement, first class. That's pretty cool. So it's like a pillow cover. This is a writing desk pillow cover. Feels nice. It's like a silky kind of material. This feels like a potion or something like that. And it's 100% pure Hungarian dragon's blood. That's pretty cool. And you've got the wax seal top. And it's pretty cool when it all mixes. Now we've got a pin. Struggle with these pins because they don't look like the film characters. So it's the pin. And we've got a pocket watch. Show how it opens. Trying to figure out if it works. Well, it does seem to work. I just can't open it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it works. That's cool. That's nice. And that's working as well. That's really cool. So we've got another little brown box. And this is a vial, a memory vial, and this is orphanage. Vial of the past. It's pretty cool. Got a decent sized box there. Let's see what this is. This is really nice. This is the basin. And that's heavy, so good weight to that as well. Nice. Okay, then we've got a recipe card for sherbet lemon candies. We've got 10 by 8 print. Got a page from Magical Creatures A to Z. So we've got Vampire and Vila. We've got another one, which is Quillin and Quinator. And we've got a 10 by 8 print of the man himself. Quite nice. And then we've got a little tube with, feels like 2 things in there. So this looks like the Phoenix Life Cycle print, which looks really cool actually. That'd look stunning in a frame. And it's usually a book cover, the Greater Good book cover, which is this. These are really cool if you've got a, find a book in your collection that's a similar size and it looks like you've got all these magical books. Just put the cover on, it's really cool. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time at jaylian.co.uk. Everyone, welcome back to jaylian.co.uk. We've got the Wizarding Trunk. I think it's the special edition one, but I'm not 100% sure. So we'll figure it out once we get in there. Cool box. Let's see if it says on here. It doesn't say that it's a special edition. Let's just see if I can find the thing. Right, there we go. This is not the special edition. Don't think. This is Magical Artifacts, and I guess this is the July or maybe August crate. So, first out, we've got a nice looking case, looks like maybe jewellery or something. And it's like a necklace of the Gryffindor sword, that's pretty cool. Brown box. I haven't got a clue what that is. Let's have a look, see if it says. I guess it's the mirror. And we've got, looks like a potion. Purple potion. Vervin, natural vampire repellent. That's pretty cool. Well, it's wax sealed on the top. Another little brown box. Oh, this is the mirror. There we go, that's the mirror. It stands up with a little thing on it. So what's the other thing then? I guess the other thing was a door. The door portal. That one. Okay, we've got a pin. Curse breaker pin. That's pretty cool. And a portrait pin of Dumbledore. Got something in velvet pouch. And this is the comb. That's nice. Pretty heavy that as well. That's cool. a little brown paper parcel, which I don't really want to open. Hopefully I'll be able to get it all back together again. And that looks like the Philosopher's Stone. That's pretty cool. Hopefully I'll get a picture of this because I don't really want to unseal the bag. It is a disappearing blanket. You can see the patterns on there. Latest page in the Magical Creatures A to Z. We've got a dragon on that side and a djinn on that side. And then finally we've got book cover. Magical Book of Admittance, and each one of these book covers are a certain size that you can fit your Harry Potter books inside, and it makes a magical library. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time at jalian.co.uk. Hi everyone, welcome back to jalian.co.uk. I've got the latest box from the Wizarding Trunk. So first out we've got a pin. Then we've got a key. Can never remember to open these boxes. There we go. Oh, that's fancy. That's really nice. Look at that, it's iridescent. And I can't just remember the name of the shop. It's a magic shop. Let's just see if I can find that. Tells us what's in it. There we go. There we go. Magical Alley. A map of Diagon Alley. Right, so oh, is it what's it called with the smile? I've lost it. What's his name? Can't think of it. Okay, so Death Cap Draft Brew It Yourself Potion Kit. Lockhart, Gilderoy Lockhart. That's the pin. Open the box now, there we go. So you get a potion bottle with a little toadstool charm on it. With a sticker for the front and a cork to seal it up. Now I just need to remember the name of the jokes. Never mind, let's carry on. Enchanted bandages. And there's a tin with plasters in it. A bit different, but pretty cool at the same time. Then we've got a little pouch, Glintworth Bank, which I guess is supposed to be Gringotts Bank. And we've got 3 coins in it. Don't know if you can see that. I'll try and do some good pictures from the website, which is jalien.co.uk. It's that one. They're all metal coins. Then we've got this one, silver in colour with Fluffy. And this big one. They're pretty cool. All inside this little pouch. Okay. Then we've got, it's like some sort of figure maybe. How we get this out, I have no idea. There we go. A boar's head cream pourer, which is pretty cool. You put your cream in there and pour it out of his mouth. You already dropped it. Okay, what's next? The Vile Incantum. Poison and Cursed Curiosities. Put a styrene in there. It's a planchette for like a Ouija board. It's pretty cool. That's that one. What's next? Unforgivable Ink, where shadows are conjured and ink is unleashed. The theme of this crate is Magical Alley. And we've got some temporary tattoos. So, decent size as well. 1, 2, and the flying key. They're pretty cool. I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, a bit bashed at the top, hopefully it's not damaged inside. This is an herbology drink bottle. It feels like it's metal. And it feels like it's insulated as well. Stopper. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we've got our little paper bits. Ah, there we go. Widdershins shop. That's the joke shop key. Widdershins. So we've got the magical creatures A to Z page that we usually get. So we've got Red Cap on that side and Rougarou on the other side. Then we've got the recipe for the Death Cap draft, which we saw the bottle for before. So that's the recipe, and I guess this is the rest of the ingredients. So we've got some wax, some red liquid that looks like blood, and some pink crystals. So that will all go together. And then finally we've got a postcard. That's really nice. Off the owlery. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Sorry about the stop-start at the beginning. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time at jalien.co.uk. Hi everyone, welcome back to jalien.co.uk. We've got the Wizarding Trunk box. This will be the last unboxing before Christmas. Always comes in a nice box. So, first of all, we've got a t-shirt. Potion Masters Brewing Company, and print on the back. It's pretty cool, feels nice as well. And we've got a Fame Potion pin, Patronus figure, nice box. Inside there we've got one of the memory vials, final memories. They're always popular. Another big box. Try and get this out of here. Scales. There we go. Some cool scales. Really good packaging as well. And we've got the Potion Masters guidebook, which looks more like a box and feels more like a box. See what's going on with that. Okay, so open that. Oh, it smells nice. So it's a secret compartment, and we've got a notebook in there. That's cool. And these seem to be a bit of a thing at the moment, these brew brew it yourself kits, potion kits, and this is for swelling serum. So in the box we've got some orange liquid, some green shimmering liquid, oops, a fancy bottle with a wax stick in it, a sticker to go around the bottle. Is there a cork fall out somewhere? There it is. Cork stopper. A metal stirring spoon. These are getting a little bit more elaborate now. And another sticker to go on the front. Then we've got the copper kettle in and pub. And that's 2 spoons. That's pretty cool. We've got the recipe for the swelling serum. Print of potions class. A print of apothecary chart. That's quite cool. And then just the insert to show us what's inside, and that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you back in January.